In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Roomba C510 error. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So if you have the Roomba iRobot and it says there this error 10, spin Roomba side wheels to clean, please open iRobot Home app for help. If you receive that message or you simply receive the error 10 message of Roomba, that means that a side wheel of the iRobot is not turning. So to fix this issue, what you want to do is to move your Roomba iRobot to a new location and press clean to restart the device. Now you want to use a virtual wall to block off problem areas. Now the next thing you can do is to check the side wheels for obstructions. So there might be any obstructions there that prevents the side wheels from turning. So the next thing you can do is push the wheel up and down several times and shake out any loose debris that may be trapped in the wheel well. Now briskly turn both wheels by hand and make sure they turn freely and that each wheel exhibits the same amount of resistance. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.